my country people. We don't still bring on our Ogbonge informate on top waiting the shell for inside EDO. And then a NAFEST EDO 2019. National Art Festival EDO 2019 don't stand gidigba for Edo State. As it be say na Edo State na im be the host the whole country. As all the 36 states with federal capital territory don't stand put for Edo State. Accreditation and registration of all the people we ready join for these Ogbonge events. Don't begin the shelle as this one the shelle for Oba Kenzwa Cultural Center with the Benin City for Edo State. Oba Kenzwa Cultural Center don't find for high well as people don't stand gidigba put. People where they do business they there gidigba to fit sell their market. Now so people with them friends and families can't give their eyes better work. As them begin they check all the better pictures where they put for wall and the paintings them as this one they showcase Edo State cultural heritage. And not be only Edo State cultural heritage now all these pictures they showcase. You see they show the culture and tradition of the 36 states wey make Naija tanda gidigba and federal capital territory. Stage serve dey gidigba for ground for cultural center for many of the activities wey go shele. At food village serve dey ground. Ogbonge security officers na in dey ground to see say people wey dey Edo and the ones wey waka come Edo State until NAFEST Edo 2019 go fit waka well and sleep with their two eyes as them properties go dey safe gidigba. As police and public work volunteers for Edo State pull off, they tanda well to see say they secure the life and the property of the people of Edo. Now on top all this many gbaradi so 9 National Art Festival opening ceremony take shele for Uniben Sports Complex with the Ogbonge Benin City. Make una come sabi say this NAFEST Edo 2019 na im be the 32nd edition and na Edo State na in the host am under the administration of Edo Vacancy Governor Godwin Obaseki. The Oga Patapata for National Art Council Commission NCAC Director General Otumba Olusegun Runsewe carried the 36 states with federal capital territory tanda for Edo State with the joint body of Commissioner for Arts, Culture, Tourism and Diaspora Affairs, Osaze Osenwinge Ero, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, Nain lead other Ogbonge people, go the opening ceremony for NAFEST Edo 2019, where then give Ogbonge name for Oyinbo will be our royalty, our pride. Wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki de Gidigba, Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, with his wife Marianne Shaibu, royal chiefs from palace, commissioners, special advisors, local government chairmen them, councillors, delegates from different states with tanda gidigba pulled for Edo 2019, permanent secretaries and Edo people dey ground gidigba to fit join Edo State to create history as them host NAFEST Edo 2019.
Being rendered by the gospel icon. Women's Corps is the Nightingale bed, which signifies aliveness. There we can see the
is among Bayelsa State is not to be
States, the food basket of the nation. Borno State, thank you so much.
these
From the National Festival.
will make
Honorable Commissioner
and tourism led by
Ogbonge musician for the world will be saying that Edo State speaking, Sir Victor Uwaifo, instead the ground gidigba as he entertain everybody wait there for the opening ceremony. And he not do this one alone, na so Two-Face Idibia serve the ground to entertain the people on top NAFEST Edo 2019 opening ceremony. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki na him declare the festival open. As he yarn said the festival so go help tanda better unity for the country. As the different culture and tradition within Nigeria, na him dey show Nigeria's strengths. And this one means say na the different culture and tradition within the country, na him make Nigeria dey strong gidigba. He can talk say this na the first time for NAFEST, where many states dey throway body put for the festival. As he can't tell everybody say make them enjoy all the activities wey dey for NAFEST. As he be say NAFEST na for 1 week, that na for 19th to 26th. Say make them throway body put for all this one.
Today we are celebrating in Edo State because 40 years after this festival was launched, the festival is coming to the home of culture for the first time. Is Edo the home of culture in Nigeria? Is Edo the home of culture in Africa? For the first time in a generation before, we are hosting this festival in Edo State. We are very, very happy to host it because this festival is a bond of unity for Nigeria. Culture is a mode for uniting our people. With culture, Nigeria gets better united. You saw the performances from all the states today. We are very happy that for the first time in the history of this festival, we have the highest number of states participating. I want to thank everybody who has made it possible, and I want to ask you to participate in this festival throughout the week. On behalf of all of you, all the people of Nigeria, I have the singular honor and pleasure to open this National Arts and Culture Festival Edo 2019 to the guest of honor.
Director General National Council for Arts and Culture NCAC, and I used to be President for World Craft Council Otumba Olusegun Runsewe. He talks say this 32nd edition don't show say Nigeria na gidigba country, as military and civilian don't gather together for this 32nd edition of the festival, as this one should shele for Benin City, Edo State. And make una no forget say na Edo State na be the Ogidigan host for this 32nd edition.
Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, there is no speech today. What I've come to tell you is that God loves Nigeria. There is no need for us to disagree. Can you see the beauty of Nigeria? The military, the civilian, everybody together. Ladies and gentlemen, no speech today.
Chairman House of Reps Committee on Culture and Tourism, Right Honorable Omerege Ogbede Iyama, he salutes Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. We make Edo NAFEST 2019 tanda gidigba well. As he can talk, say Edo don't make history as them host NAFEST for the first time. As he be say NAFEST don't dig ground gidigba for 40 years.
I want to thank all those who have stood firm to make this possible. You know, without the state government, we will not be here celebrating today. I mean, not be so. So let us thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, and his ever-working Deputy Governor for standing firm to support this NAFEST 2019. For those of us in the National Assembly, for my committee, we have committed to always support culture and tourism across the country.
Edo State Commissioner for Arts, Culture, Tourism and Diaspora Affairs, Osaze Osenwige, he salutes everybody who come the opening ceremony as he throw away Ogbonge aliens give Governor Godwin Obaseki for the support we get from him, and the Director General for National Council of Arts Commission, Otumba Olusegun Runsewe. He can still explain say this NAFEST so he go tanda Edo State well for the center of the world, and as this one go still bring Ogbonge things come Edo State. Honorable Commissioner can still explain gidigba. Say NAFEST Edo 2019, it go promote culture and tourism as it go make business matter waka well for the state.
We are glad that we are here today celebrating our culture, celebrating what God has blessed Edo with. Edo State is richly blessed with a lot of cultural heritage that is second to none in the world. We are blessed with the most revered monarch of the world, His Royal Majesty, Omonobade Edo Ukwu-Akpolokpolo, Oba Eware II Noginiga, who has supported this ministry and gave a blessing and endorsement of this National Festival of Art and Culture 2019. We carefully chose our royalty, our pride, because of our rich heritage. And we can't be here today without appreciating His Excellency, Governor Kontri in Obaseki, who has put in a lot in reawakening our culture in this state. Edo is hosting this great event for the very first time in 40 years. And this is the 32nd edition. We are blessed with culture. It has never happened before, but because of the pragmatic and belief of His Excellency, this is happening.
Now something where we say God, He bless people of Edo. The program come, no wahala, no kita. Everybody come dance, enjoy themselves. So waiting Edo people go see now, na good market. Look, over 500,000 people don't arrive. They go buy. Over 26 states don't dey for ground. So now they go get plenty people who go buy something. Edo people go feel say something happen. And that's what we want to achieve with that.
Today, Edo State don't see waiting the never see for culture for more than 40 years. Now the first time when Edo State they host NAFEST. NAFEST don't start since 1970, but now this 2019, now this our able governor say he go host NAFEST. And today all of us happy because waiting we see today, all the 36 states from Federal Capital Territory then come, then show say all of us now one.
This one my belle sweet where we say come Edo, because you see culture and tourism now big money spinner anywhere in the world. If you dey go Dubai for example today, what do people go dey do for Dubai? Na enjoyment, to see how the place be, na tourism. You see, so culture now one very big way where they create big investment. So today now I can tell you say those where they get hotel for Edo, they don't do big plenty money for their hotel, because for the 36 states now you get everybody where they come. I'm not sure say even room say Edo again.
Well, the program they can't pay because everybody they enjoy themselves. So we fit pay for next program now. People will be able to come and enjoy themselves as they done for this one.
Make una sabi say NAFEST Edo 2019, which shell for Edo State, Iwaka followed the systematic pillars. That are the Ogbonge plan and agenda we Governor Obaseki get for Edo people for your administration. As Edo governor, as this one go help tanda better tourism, money and develop through arts and culture. Now here we see the Ogbonge informate reach on top waiting shell for inside Edo today. As NAFEST Edo 2019 than a National Arts Festival Edo 2019, don tanda gidigba put for Edo State as accreditation and registration with the opening ceremony will make the festival begin gidigba as be say the 36 states and Federal Capital Territory. Then they gidigba for Edo State as Edo State government they host them under the administration of Godwin Obaseki. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na in the nakam they give una on top waiting the shell for inside Edo today. And to continue to get this Ogbonge and clear informate on top waiting the shell for inside Edo, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now officially follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.
If love is a crime, I want to be wanted.